my crafting friends, welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Tracy, and I'm so glad you took the time to stop in and craft with us, because the 3 mini Halloween signs in this video will be the perfect addition to your Halloween decorations. And just in case you're intimidated by power tools, or maybe you don't have a silhouette or a Cricut ready to cut your vinyl, I went ahead and created a kit, which, as they say here on YouTube, I'll have linked in the description box below. So let's go ahead and jump into our projects. Here are the supplies that are included in the Woodcraft kit, but if you want to do it on your own, you'll need 3 pieces of wood measuring 5.5 inches square by 3.25 inches deep. You'll need 2 of your favorite vinyl Halloween decals, or whatever decal you prefer, along with a piece of sandpaper, a word cutout. I'm going to be using this Wicked one in the kit, along with this witch's hat painted in chalkboard paint, and finally this bundle of raffia. We start by painting our wood pieces in our favorite colors. I'm going to be going with a black and green witches theme, and I'm going to be using this Basil by Anitas, and it can be found at Hobby Lobby. I paint all 3 pieces the same color. Then once they dry, I come in and distress them with my sandpaper. Once distressed, I set them aside and I move on to painting my Wicked word, a black acrylic, also from Anitas, found at Hobby Lobby. Now that we have our Wicked sign painted, we set it aside to dry, and we move on to assembling our 3 sign sitters. And to do this, it's quite easy. I'm going to start with my countdown to Halloween, and that includes the witch's hat painted in a chalkboard paint, along with the Days Until Halloween vinyl decal. And I just glue my hat down with some hot glue, and then attach my vinyl decal. Then finishing the project off with a little raffia bow to cover the hanger hole in the witch's hat. And then you're left with this cute little Halloween countdown calendar, which I might add the kids love. Now we're moving on to assembling our Wicked sign. We're just going to start by hot gluing our Wicked sign down and then adding a little raffia bow. And just like that, you have this adorable little wood sign. And then we move on to our final sign, and that's going to be this Happy Halloween Witches. And you just start by applying your vinyl decal and then adding an embellishment of your choice. And in this instance, I'm going to be using a little raffia bow. And then you have 3 of these beautiful little sign sitters. I think they look so cute and they're so simple. And their quality is amazing. I love simple crafts that have a high quality to them. They're so much fun. These are also perfect little crafts to sell at craft fairs. These 3 little signs are so much fun to make. I hope it inspires you to make some of your own. Well, until next time, keep it crafty.